I have a couple of questions. I'm trying to do my own divorce, but I want to get a couple questions. And I said, oh, well, let me talk about the fact that you're going to be doing your divorce yourself. She goes, oh, we'll get into that after you answer my questions. And I said, I'm sorry to tell you, if you have absolutely no intention of hiring me, you really shouldn't be calling me, because the purpose of this consultation is to find out from you what you guys have going on, see if you're amicable, cooperative, and all that. And then for you to learn about my service and make sure we're a good fit, not to call and get free legal advice, which, first of all, I can't give you. They're asking highly technical questions about quadros and taxation and all this. And I just had to say, look, you're obviously looking for free resources. You already told me you've been calling around for other things. I can't help you. That's not what I do. I don't do piecemeal parts. She's like, well, we're gonna do our paperwork and then maybe I'll call you if we get stuck. No, I don't do that. You either decide to hire me or you don't. I do take on cases where your judgment's been rejected or you get stuck somewhere in the process, but that's not what this person was doing. They were going to try and call all different people to get help for all this. She was asking me, how do I get free resources for this? Or I want to get a disto master. How do I get that? I'm like, you got to pay someone to do it or hire someone. It's part of my process, but I'm not just going to do it for you for free. So a little frustrated on that.